We have always offered great care to our animals, but the 1982 renovation project to the original hospital was greatly needed. We had only one real room for treatments and surgeries. The new Animal Healthcare Center was a big leap. It gave us different areas in the building to house most of the collection. We had innovative moving back walls in the cages so patients could be moved forward to get injections by hand. We had heating elements in the floor of the nursery, and we had a new anesthetic machine, an ultrasonic dental scaler, and a laparoscope arthroscope.
In the 1980s, the hospital expanded from the very small facility to its current footprint. That expansion in facilities and program allowed for an improved level of care. Our veterinarian at the time was able to bring in a group of volunteer nurses, physicians to help with brain surgery on orangutan. While baby animals are the oohs and ahs of the zoo's hospital, there's so much more to the medical care that we provide to all of the animals here at Denver Zoo. Today we have an amazing set of individuals that have come together as a team to provide absolutely outstanding care for the animals. We just spent the last week providing intensive care for a frog with a stomach problem. When our king cobra developed cancer, we were actually able to provide chemotherapy for that animal to try to improve its quality of life.
My favorite remembrance is of Bungie, the spider monkey, who was brought into the nursery when he was very small, very tiny. And we used to get to exercise him. As I would put my fingers up like so, he would climb up there and he would go like that until he got tired. I think he was back home for about 2 or 3 years and was brought back to the nursery. And the first time that he saw me, this is what he did, because he recalled that this is the way I used to exercise him.
The new hospital will give us an opportunity to show what we learned from the animals in our care here translates into our work out in the field. It's really a synergistic opportunity for us to use both pieces of information to do better by these animals in both places.
Our guiding principles are to help the animals that we care for, but also to help with conservation and, if possible, expand the knowledge as applicable to the wild.
The new hospital will give us more treatment rooms, dedicated surgery space, larger intensive care unit, and an intensive care unit specifically designed and dedicated to large animals. And we'll be one of only a handful of zoos in the country to have an on-site CT scanner.
I'm excited about the new hospital and getting to share what we do in the laboratory more than what we have in the past. I'll get to share what a veterinary technician is and how exciting a job we actually have.
I believe that the experience that we're going to provide for our guests is new and is going to really blow people away. We're bringing people in to see the great care that we do, and we're putting them into a situation where those experiences can be curated, explored, explained, and make sure that everyone who walks in the door is seeing something new, exciting, and learning about what we do to take care of our animals every day.
Our new hospital will let us connect to the next generation, to demonstrate and show, educate our public about what we do each and every day to take the best possible care of our animals. We are so grateful to our citizens of Denver, to Helen and Arthur E. Johnson Foundation, and so many others that have supported us in helping make this veterinary hospital a reality. It's just one of the ways that we will lead the nation and the world in caring for wild animals and wild places.